Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. Hear the sound? Fan. So I'm thinking that. Huh? Okay. So students, last class, what is our discussion? I forget. Predefined functions in set. Okay. So predefined functions in set, we will go. We'll go to that. So we are almost coming to predefined functions in set. Okay. So this is about predefined functions in set. This is the one. Already we discussed half of the functions, I hope. So you might be practiced it. Practiced, huh? Okay, good. You got all the results. Understood all the functions. Right. Next, we will go for continuation process. Is a superset, and next also we'll go for what is subset. Harika, sir, TCS NQT papers will you post in classroom? What you will do with by posting that classroom? Will you solve? Will you solve now itself? Will you solve now itself? Hmm? Will you solve now itself? Harika, can you solve now itself, ma? No, sir. Wanted to know when those will be discussed. So that I said already, na? When I come to the loops concept, I already said I'll be discussing it. Okay, na? Fine. So let us move to the further. E superset and then E subset. This is a concept I'm going to discuss. So let's go to how many places we can develop the Python program? 3 places. Number 1, Python command prompt, Python ideally cell, Python real-time IDs. What are the building blocks in Python? Number 1, literals, objects, classes, functions, modules, packages. Very good. Now done. So now I'm going to take up. So I'll go to next continuation part. E is a superset and E is a subset. Both of them I will explain here. So take care. S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. S2 is equal to 10 comma 20, 10 comma 20. S3 is equal to 10, 15, 25, 35. This is my data. You just observe S1 and S2. The relationship between S1 and S2, you observe it. The relationship between S1 and S2. All the elements of S2 are present in where? S1. Or S1 contains all the elements of S2. So S1 is called superset. S2 is called subset. S1 contains all the elements of S2. S1 is called superset. S2 is called subset. Here S1 and S3 you observe it. S1 and S3. There is a common element called 10 here. There is a common element called 10, but other elements are different. Other elements are different. So S1 and S3 is having no relationship of super and sub relationship is not there. But they are called what? Joint sets. What are they? So there is no super and sub relationship between S3 and S1. So they are nothing. No superset, no subset relationship. Only relationship between S1 and S2 is S1 is called a superset to whom? S2, and S2 is a subset to whom? And there is no relationship of S1 and S2 with S3. There is no such relationships at all. So I'm going to write it more. S1 dot is a superset of what? S2. All S1 contains all the elements of what? S2. So S1 is called superset. So I'll write the syntax. Later I'll press the enter key. Then I will go to the place. Subset syntax, I will go for it. Syntax set obj1 dot is a superset is a superset of is a superset of set obj2 set obj2. So this function returns true. This function returns true provided set obj1 contains, come on, speed up, contains all the elements of what? Set obj2. Set obj2. Otherwise returns false. Returns false. No confusion at all. So I'll go to the examples. Examples. So I'm going to write it examples here. Try to go to the place. Now answer is what here? Quickly. Answer is true or false? It is a true. Very good. S1 dot superset of S2. S3. Come on. Very good. S2 dot superset of S3. False. S1. S2 dot superset of S1. False. Only this is going to be the one. Are you able to follow? Right. So can I ask one complicated question? Ready to answer? Yes. I will ask this complicated question after 1 minute. Let me complete the subset also. After subset, I will go for that question. Both combined question is there that I'll ask you. Syntax here. Set obj1 dot subset is a subset of set obj2 set obj2. Come on, can anybody can answer it? Opposite. This function returns true provided provided all the elements of set obj1 present in set obj2 set obj2. Otherwise 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 we get false. Otherwise returns false. Returns false. Okay, go to the examples now. Go to the examples I'm taking now. So I'll go to this place. So students, now have a clear about that. S1 and this is S2 and this is S3. S1 dot S2 dot is a subset of what? S1. Come on, true, true. S2 dot is subset of S3. Very good, good. So S1 dot is a subset of S2. Come on, false. S1 dot is subset of S3. False. Right? Got it. Got it. So one more small question. That question, I hope you will learn. You will answer. Here also one important question. Here also an important question. I don't know how many of you will answer it. Set dot is a superset of set of. Hmm, true. Raise your hands. Who is that true? Okay. Girls, మీరు చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ అసలు. So intelligent you people are, girls are. See, students, they are not raising the hand. They are not taking risk. That is the main thing. Risk they are not taking. Sir will say something. They don't want to listen that. True or false? Huh? True or false? True. Okay. Raise the hands. True. So not taking risk. Huh? Okay. So your not answer is not considered. So Subhash, right? Good. It is a true. Who said true? So stand up. Oh, why like that? So why? Explain. So no elements are there, no elements are there. How it is superset to no element set? Set 1 does not contain any element. Set 2 does not contain any elements. How it is true? True or false? Huh? Guessing? Guessing or answer is true? Guessing. Guessing. Okay. Sit down. So luck is good. Your luck is good. So yes, guessing answer is applying. Guessing. Okay. So who want to say the answer? You said true, correct. True is correct. True is correct. But who want to say the answer? A plus B whole square, everybody will tell. But I want the geometrical proof. Huh? ఎట్లయితది? మనకు సబ్జెక్ట్ రాదు ఒకడికి. వాడు ఎట్లా పెద్దోడైతాడు? One person subject is not there. How he can become a big subject? You said values లేనప్పుడు అది పెద్దది అవుతుంది అంటున్నావు కదా. So if a person does not contain any subject, will he become a bigger? Then what is an answer? So you don't have the mathematics background. That is the main important. Internally, superset, of course, that answer is true only. Answer is true. Every subset, every superset, every superset internally applying the set 1 is greater than or equal to, it is going to be saying as what? S2. In our school days, they will say every empty set is a superset to itself. Every empty set is a superset to itself. When you studied in school, when you went to school, I think you did not went to school. Directly 10th class exam you might write. Correct? Or BTech first year you joined? Or BTech first year? Studied, went to school or not? What is that answer? This is the one it is taken place internally. So what is this here? No elements are there. No elements. No elements means what is the length? 0 greater than 0. 0 greater than 0. True. Empty set. Size of empty set is what? 0. Size of another empty set is 0. What is the symbol of superset? Greater than or equal to? Super means greater than equal to. That is called the answer. This is a even mathematical proof in the sets, your school days. So answer is called what? True. Answer is called true. Right or not? Yes. When you came to my class first day, you felt that you know C language, correct or not? You felt that you know C language. Though you don't know, you felt that you know C language. That means you felt yourself as a superset. Later I'm putting some questions. Later we realize. So every person will feel that they are superset to themselves. Correct? Yes. Okay. This is okay. Next, one more. One more I'm writing. Set is a subset of. Is a subset of. Remember my formula. Remember my formula. Greater than or equal to. Is subset of what? Set of. Answer. Remember my formula. True. What is the subset formula? Come on. Less than or equal to. What is this now? S1, for example. What is this now? S2. What is the S1 size? Less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. 2. Generally, I used to see when the student is getting true here, they will say false here. When E subset is superset opposite, na, they will apply college knowledge. College knowledge is very dangerous. So coming to this place. After joining in the company, you will tell to your juniors, whatever you are doing in the company, that is never you come across in the college. So, are you able to follow? So, can I ask one more question? Yes. One more question. All the students in online. Is a superset of is a superset of 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Hmm. Very good. What is this size? Greater than or equal to size? Answer. Nice. The subject. That is called a subject. Next, next, I will go to, I will go to, be careful, be careful. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I am writing here set of. Answer is, come on, true or false? True, true. This is the one. And there is one more mathematics representation is also there. It is a superset. This is a superset for how many? So many things. Number one super for empty set. Number one superset for this 20. All the single elements 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30. These are also superset for all the things. So it is also called what? True. I think you are following me. So this knowledge is more than enough. Now I will go to, now I am writing sub I am writing, sub, answer. Hmm. So what is this now? Empty now? Subset of this one. Every empty set is a subset of what? Non-empty set. Because non-empty set also contains one type of empty set is a subset. If you come to non-empty, empty, consider the lengths. So I think you are understanding the subject. So coming to this place, subset related keep it, superset related you carry up and paste it here. I think here I will paste it. One more superset example is there. I'll get it over there. So here I will write it above. Right. This first one is an important student. First one is an important. Okay. So is subset and superset is clear? Right. Online students, is it clear? Is my explanation is clear for all of them? Okay. Now I'm going to enter into the very important discussion again. Very, very useful concept. Lead code kind of things. Very regularly, these examples will be coming. So next, I'll take up all these functions at one stretch. I will explain. At one stretch, I will explain. So difference also at one stretch, I will explain. With the first mathematical problem, I will explain. Later, I will go to the case study related. Symmetric difference, I will take it. Symmetric difference, I will take it. Symmetric difference. So, got it. Hmm. So, I'm going to take it. The function name is called what? Union. So, let's talk about union kind of thing. Students, 10, 20, 30. First, I will take mathematics small example. Three levels of examples I'm telling on unions. Three types of examples I'm telling on unions. S2 is equal to 30, 40, 50. 30, 40, 50. Or I will take it 20, 30, 40, 50. Like that I am taking. So I want to find out the all the elements in both the sets. All the elements in both the sets. In single set. All the elements in single set. Which elements? Of course, set it is. Set means what? Unique elements will be taken up. Unique elements will be taken up. Coming to the point back, print of S1, print of S1, type of S1, S2, S2, type of S2. Two sets are there. Now I am writing syntax is like this. Set obj3, set obj3 is equal to set obj1 dot union of set obj2. Set obj2. What this function will do, ma? This function is used for taking, or used for taking all unique elements, from set obj1 and what? Set obj2, and place those unique elements, in set obj3, in set obj3. Are you able to follow? In set obj3. Done. So students, examples I will take it. Examples. Carefully try to follow students. First example, mathematics example you studied in school all the times. S3 is equal to S1 dot union of S2. What is an output, ma? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Put it in where? S3. S3 comma type of what? S3. So got it. All the elements getting or not? Yes. Now you can take it like this also, students. S4 is equal to S1 dot union of S2 comma. You can take another set also. Set 1, set 2, set 3, n number of sets you can take it. What I am taking? Python. Next I am taking what? Java. I am taking that also. So I am finding the union of how many sets? 3. S1 data, S2 data, S3 data. All of them are coming into where? S4. So along with this data, these two elements also will come or not? Yes. Print S4 type of S4. So you are getting the complete values. Are you following me? Very good. Students, try to follow this example. Okay. Next example, I will take this one. Intersection also, example section I will start. Example I will take up. Here I am taking examples. There I will take it. In this case, syntax, intersection. I will take this intersection. Okay. Before going to intersection, I would like to give you one second level example, students. Important, most important example. Most important examples. Take care. Now I am going to say, here I am going to write it. S1 is equal to Python. S1 is equal to Python. S2 is equal to I am taking something like Nissan I am taking. This was one of the question, students. In this way, I will take it 1 minute. S1 is equal to Python. S1 is equal to Python. S2 is equal to Nissan. Now somebody is asking, write a Python program to get unique letters from both the strings. Unique letters from both the strings. To write a normal coding, you write at least 10 lines of code. Minimum 10 lines of code I need to write. That is the time exceeds when you start typing like that, when it will time exceeds, and it takes more amount of time also for thinking your things. So when you know perfect subject, you can do just in one line. So what my sir said, unique elements from any two iterable object, three iterable object, straight forward convert them into what type? Set type, and apply a union. Apply what? Come on, Monk, tell me. Set of S1 dot union of set of S2. S2. Are you able to follow? Yes. See that data, students. All the unique elements. Actually, n and n is 2 times. This is 3 times. But how many times is coming? O is available 2 times, mom. It is coming how many times? Yes. 2 S's are available, but only 1 S came. And Y is available 1 time. 1 time Y is available. T is available 1 time. This is available. All of them are coming 1 time only. So this is about the subject of what? How to get unique elements. One more thing you see. LST1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. LST2 is equal to 30, 40, 50, 30, 40, 50. They are asking get the unique elements from both the lists. So you cannot apply LST1 dot union of LST2. You cannot apply. Why? List does not contain union. Union function is present in where? Very good. So convert the list into, so please tell me how do you do? Set of LST1 dot union of set of LST2, LST2. Are you able to follow now? Yes. This will give you which data? Set data, set data. But I want to get it in where? List only. What I will do? LST3 is equal to what I will do? Set of I will do once again. List of I am converting. This will give you which data? Come on. Up to here, set data. I am converting into which type? Beautiful. So print of what? LST3, type of LST3. That's all. If you want to sort, you can sort it. Getting or not? Tuple data also available. Data is available in tuple. Want to find the unique elements. Convert into what? Find what? Union. Again, get back to what? List. Tuple. You can get it wherever you like it. I think you are getting it. Very good. Is it clear? Yes. Don't forget all these things because these things, if you learn, writing the coding is left hand, left finger in my class. Remember this word. These data types, if you are forget, writing the code is left hand, left finger. The I am not saying no. It's a easiest part in the class. This one, if you follow, writing any company level code is dead easy. I am not talking about even startups. I am talking about 8 LPA onwards minimum. That is the subject range we are giving it. Come to intersection now. Intersection I am going to take, students. So this intersection I am going to take it. In this case, intersection syntax I am taking dot online students. Are you listening? Intersection of set obj2. So this function is used for taking all common elements. What is that? Common elements from set obj1 and set obj2 and place those elements, place those common elements in where? Set obj3. Set obj3. Now I'm talking about what? Examples. I'm talking about the examples. So let's go to the place. Now I'm taking, carry that. What is that? S1 you take our original data. S1, S2 also you take it. This is our S2. Come on. S3 is equal to S1 dot intersection of S2. What is the answer? S1 dot intersection of S2 or S2 dot intersection of S1, both of them same. S1 dot intersection of S2, S2 dot intersection of S1, both of them are same. What is an output? Come on, what happens? Spelling mistake, huh? Spelling mistake. S2, okay. S3 is equal to S1 dot intersection of S2. Answer is, come on, 20, 30. 20, 30 is an output. Can I ask one more question? Ready to answer, right? Okay. So who will answer? You will answer. Okay. Stand up. Who want to answer? Stand up. Okay. Look at the data. 5, comma 6, comma 7. What is the answer? 20, 20, 30. Wrong answer. Sit down. Yes. Space. Wrong. Sit down. Come on. Very good. Empty set. Empty set. I'm appreciating. Good girl. Sit down. So, empty set is an answer. Of course, I can understand the space. Space means what? No data will come. But my sir said that no data present in the set is called what? Empty set. But interviewer don't understand it because you are new to the interviewer. Interviewer want what? Ready-made food. That's a ready-made answer. Empty set. Okay, correct answer. Though you are a very good student, you don't worry about your very good and all. How you will present, that is an important. So empty set. Sir, why? S1 intersection S2. What is an answer? 20, 30. That 10, 20, 30 intersection of what again? 5, 6, 7. Do you have any common elements? That's why. What is an answer of S4? Empty set. What is the type of it? Set only. Set only. Are you able to follow? Hmm. Right. From every statement, you have to learn something new. From every statement, you have to learn something new. Is it clear? Right. So I will go for this. This is the data I will carry. Already this is available here. Yes, already under examples you are. So this is my data. S1 and S2 is printed here. This is the output. Let me ask one most important example again. So most important examples. Online students. So take care. Now I'm going to take answer. S1 is equal to S1 is equal to Python. S2 is equal to S2 is equal to Jython. Jython. Now I want to find the common letters between both the strings. Common letters between both the strings. Come on, convert into set and apply. Yes, please convert into this thing. Set of S1 dot intersection of set of S2. Everybody need to speak in the class. What is the answer is coming? What is the answer is coming? YTHON. YTHON. So YTHON. Coming or not? If you want any string to be converted, I will use dot join off. And you don't worry about that. You will get it YNTHTO. Are you able to follow? Very good. Now, similarly, I'll directly write students. I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40. What is this now? Tell me. You only tell me. Don't keep it quiet. Intersection of set of, I say, 40, 50, 60, 70. 40, 50, 60, 70. So what is this data I have? What data I have? List data. Converted into what? Set data. Which function I applied? Intersection. What is an output? What is an output? 40. 40 will be which data type it will come? Set data type it will come. Set data type. That I want to get it into tuple type. I want to get it into tuple type. Can I get it into tuple type? Yes, sir. Right. Tuple of 40 comma single element. Can I get it into list type? Yes, you can get it. What is that? List of. Beautiful. Right? Very nice. So I will take this data. Join function I may not be giving to you. And you don't worry also. That you don't worry. Of course, that data also I will get it. So here I'll keep it. This one intersection already got it. Don't worry about the join and all. So you got an output. Okay, na? Right. Last and final answer this question. So I'll write it. Set of HYD dot intersection of dot intersection of dot intersection of set of C plus plus comma set of like this comma set of C set of C set of C. Come on, empty set or C? Empty set or C? Empty set only. Empty set only. Come on, why? This is going to be what answer is coming? Empty set. Empty set. Empty set dot intersection of C. Empty set. Empty set. Okay, now? Right. Suppose here I am having C. Here I am having C. What is the answer? Right. C. Okay, now? Right. Good. Now coming to this is what your thinking power will increase because of this kind of examples. If you buttify like our academics, nothing will come. except frustration. When you buttify the subject, what will come? You lose the hopes and the life. Now come to difference. I will take it. Difference. I'm talking about the difference. Students, online students, are you comfortable with these examples? Are you comfortable with this? Everybody. Now I will go to the one more kind of answer. This answer I will carry. Now I will go for getting this place. Difference under example I will carry. Students, here I am going to carry out difference function I am going to apply. Syntax I will take. Syntax is set obj3 is equal to set obj1 dot difference of set obj1 dot difference of set obj2 set obj2. Do you know what is happening here? It will take the common, it will, this difference function remove the common elements from both the sets, take the remaining elements from the first specified set object, and keep those remaining elements in which object? Set obj3. Again, I will repeat. The difference function will remove the common elements from both the sets, set obj1 and set obj2. Take the remaining elements from set obj1, that is the first specified set object. Keep those elements into where? Set obj3. Set obj3. Example. Let's coming to the example here. This is my S1 data. This is the S2 data. I will take it. This is S2 data. Now I am writing. Now I am writing S3 is equal to S1 dot difference of S2. What is happening? I'll show you. 1 minute you see 10 comma 20 comma 30 difference of what is this now? 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50. It will remove the common elements from both of them. Remove the common elements from both of them. Take the remaining elements from S1. Keep it into where? S3. 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 Print of S3. What is the answer? 10. So the 10. If you write it, S4 is equal to S4 is equal to S2 dot difference of what? S1. What's the difference? 40, 50 kept in where? 40, 50 kept in where? S4. Print of S4. What is the answer? 40, 50. 40, 50. Are you able to understand? Yes. One direct question. 10, 20, 30 dot difference of 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. What is the answer? Come on. Empty set. That's all. Perfect. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 40. Empty set or 40, 50? Very good. Empty set. Here I am writing 15. What is the answer? 1, 5. Okay now? Right, good. So you got an output. You got an output of this. Now I'll ask you, keep this data here. That S3. So this function removes the common elements, from both set obj1 and set obj2, and takes the remaining elements. Take the remaining elements from set obj1 and place them in where? Set obj3. Set obj3. That is the subject of difference function. So done. Now let me take it. I'll go for most important example. Remember students, if you go to any bigger company, any questions come in Python, that will be 100% from my class. That is what is my historical credibility. Both the Java as well as last 15 years onwards Python, that is coming from my note. That's why I'm giving such a vast number of examples for you. So take care and don't miss. Not even single example practicing. Every example you need to practice. So this is S1, S2 is equal to, S2 is equal to, now I'm writing here, Jaiton. Now I'm writing S3 is equal to, S3 is equal to S1 set of S1, set of S1 dot, come on, difference of set of S2. What is an answer? Come on, are you sure? Beautiful. Print of what? S3. S3. That's all. Type of S3 and all this, you know. Next, last and final, S2 dot difference of what is this? S1. What is an answer? Good, good, good. Now, I will take out this. I'm going to take it. Python, Python. This is a Python. Dot here, Python. Dot Python. Some of them are sleeping. Come on, answer. Some 2 to 3 members are sleeping. Next time, if I see that they are sleeping, I'll make you to sit on the road. Outside, I will take you and I will make you to sit on the road. Be careful. How dare you are to speak in sleeping in the class? Hmm? Be careful. Next time, if I see that anybody is doing that bus passenger job, I'll send you out of the class. Lazy people. So, S3, print S3. What is the answer? Empty set. Empty set. So, coming to the point back, is it clear? Yes. So now last and final, I forget to take S3. Here I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. HYD. HYD no. HD I am writing. What is an answer? 1 minute. HD. What is an answer? Come on. Okay. HD is also there. Huh? SD. What is an answer? Come on. Python, PYHO like that. P comma Y comma H comma O comma. That is a one answer. Python is also one more answer. What is the answer? P comma Y comma H. Is it in order or not in order? Not in? Yes. So print of this S3, that is going to be not in order. If I am giving multiple answers for you, very complicated multiple. First answer is Python. Second answer is what you know, SD. Third answer is what I will give, P comma Y comma T comma H comma Y comma N. Next, same answer is Python only in any order. In any order. Which one? D is the answer. Python P comma Y comma T H in any order. This is an output. Understand now? Yes. Take care. This is the one I am going to take it. So this is applicable for what also? What also? List also. Find the common elements. Last and final. So I'll go to the place list of list of, I'll say list of set of 10 comma 2 lists are given. Those list common elements you need to find. Dot what? Okay, difference. Difference. Difference kada? Set of, I'm going to take it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Or I will take it, or I will take it 15, 10, 20, like that I am taking. Like that I am taking. What is the answer? Come on. So set off, like that I need to write. I will write it. I'll correct it. Answer. Close the bracket. Answer. 30. Right. Close it up. 30, 40 or 40, 30. Any of the order. Are you okay? Right. So coming to the this example. And let me go to one more example here. Symmetric difference, I'm going to take it. This is also mathematically denoted as in maths, it is called symmetric difference. Delta operation we can call. Which operation? Delta operation, delta operation between sets. Between sets. So if you remember, S1, S1 delta S2. This use there in the subject of sets. This is called a delta operation, is nothing but what? Symmetric difference. So I'll go to the symmetric difference. Let's see this now. Go to S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. I will take it one more set. S2 is equal to 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I will say print of S1, type of S1, set is coming, S2. This is S2. Now I'm going to write it S3 is equal to S1 dot symmetric underscore difference, symmetric underscore difference of what? S2. So what is the symmetric difference underscore S2 will do? It will remove the common elements from both of them. So what are the common elements here? So 30, 40 removed. 30, 40 removed or not? And symmetric difference will take remaining elements of S1. What are the remaining elements of S1? 10, 20. Remaining elements of S2. 50, 60 will be taken. These remaining elements will be taken. Keep both the elements in where? S3. What is the output of S3? 10, 20, 50, 60. That is the symmetric difference. Understand this? Symmetric difference. Got it. Print of S3, print of S3, type of S3. So you got it 10, 20, 50, 60. Is it clear? Yes. So coming to the point back, this is the very, very important operation here. Next, I will write like this. So please take care. 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to take it here. Something like 15, 25, 35. 15, 25, 35. What is the answer? Come on. What is the answer? 10, 20, 30, 15, 25, 35. Right? It is one way. It is equal to something like what? Come on. Removing the common elements are not. No common elements are there. But I'm getting. It is looking like a union operation only now. Right? Symmetric difference will eliminate the common elements and pick up the remaining elements. I hope you are getting this. Clear? Yes. So syntax examples coming to this important concept. This is there. I will write it. This syntax is set obj3 is equal to set obj3 is equal to set obj1 dot symmetric difference of what? Set obj 2 2. So I'll carry this difference function. I'll carry this difference function and I'll keep it here. Look at this function removes the common elements from set obj1 and set obj2, takes the remaining elements from set obj1 and set obj2 and place those elements in set obj3. Understood? Right. So done this example. So here, if we go to another most important example in the another level, most important example. So I'll take it. Strings. On strings, many of the questions will come with sets. Sets is also one part of DSA. In DSA, maps, sets, hash tables, they are very important. So S1 is equal to Python. S1 is equal to Python. S2 is equal to S2 is equal to something like Jython. I'm going to write something like this. What I'm going to say, S3 is equal to S1 dot symmetric difference of what? S2. What is the answer? Come on. Symmetric. Okay. Set of S1. Set of S1. This is called what? Set of S2. So I'm calling directly. Attribute error already you know na? I'm calling directly S1. S1 is what data? String object. Does not contain what error? Attribute error. So Answer is print of S3. Print of S3. So the answer is PJ. That's all. It is applicable to what also? It is applicable to what also? List also applicable, sets also applicable, strings also applicable. On all the iterable objects, it is applicable. Are you okay? Right, done. Online students, is it clear, mom? Regarding this kind of thing is done. Let me cover update function also, student. These update functions are also important once again. So let me go to this. So Nagaraju, what happened? Ma sleeping or what? Is it an answer of what you said, Nagaraju? Is it an answer or what? Hmm? Because when you fall down on the keyboard, maybe this bracket is coming multiple times. While sleeping, if you fall down on the same key multiple times like this, same thing is coming multiple times. Maybe I think so like that. Nagaraju, are you there? Maybe he is not there. So coming to what is the next function? Update. Update. Right. Hmm? By mistake laptop లో వాటర్ పడి అదే సంథింగ్ ఫాల్ డౌన్ ఐ ప్రిడిక్టెడ్ నో ప్రాబ్లం నాగరాజు జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్ఫర్మ్ ఓకే సో నో ప్రాబ్లం నో ప్రాబ్లం సో నో ప్రాబ్లం డోంట్ టేక్ జస్ట్ కన్ఫర్మింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఐల్ గో టు వన్ మోర్ ఫంక్షన్ డిఫరెన్స్ అండర్ స్కోర్ అప్డేట్ డిఫరెన్స్ అండర్ స్కోర్ అప్డేట్ intersection underscore update next intersection underscore update next later I will go for symmetric underscore update. So maybe one person is asking what is the difference between difference and difference of union and symmetric difference. Saurav, I can take you, this example is there now, this example is there, delta operation, delta operation. And if I touch the mathematics, you may feel difficulty. That's why I'm not touching mathematics. You know, Saurabh, for you I'm telling, and so that others can also listen. For you, Saurabh, for others also. S1 delta S2 is equal to S1 delta S2 is equal to, there is a symmetric difference is equal to, there is a formula, there is a theorem. This is a theorem actually. S1 union S2, S1 union S2, S1 union S2 minus S1 intersection S2, S1 intersection S2. This is a formula. This is also equivalent to what? Symmetric difference. Saurabh. And or one more also is there. Yeah, one more is also there. What is that now? S1 minus S2. Find the S1 minus S2. Which elements will come because of that? S1 minus S2. Which elements will come? S1. Stand up first. All of you stand up once. Keep the books there. Close your hands. Hold your hands. All lazy guys. Sleeping. What are you doing? First of all, becoming so lazy. And you come and see some of you. See your head hairstyle. Or something like bird's nest is there na bird's nest. Do you know bird's nest? Birds are there. Girls, do you know birds? Nest is there or not? Have you seen the nest of the bird? Some of the 50% of the hairstyle is like that. If you go to an interview, first of all, that security guard only will say, please go out. They will say, they will think that is a different candidates. No discipline at all first. So come to that. One more thing. S1 minus S2. Which elements will come? S1 union of S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 will give you what? S2. Union, if I find, it is called a symmetric difference only. No? These are the two formulas we can apply on where? S1 delta S2. S1 delta S2 is nothing but S1 dot symmetric difference of S2 is equal to S1 union S2 minus S1 intersection S2 or S1 minus S2 union of S2 minus S1. Okay, Saurabh. Now I am going to enter into the further. Go to that formula. I will apply. Take our data. This is our data here. S1. Take our data called S2. Take our data called what? S2. Now I will apply. S3 is equal to first formula. S1 dot. Come on, Modhu. Union of S2. S1 union S2. That is S1 union S2 dot difference of S1 dot intersection of what? S2. That will give you answer of what? Same as symmetric difference. Same output. Same output or not? Yes. Understood or not? Yes. Next, or one more way, or I will take one more way. S4 is equal to, come on, S1 dot difference of S2 with that what elements will come? S1 elements. Dot what I will do? Union of S2 dot difference of S1. Which elements will come? S2. S2 elements that are there in where? S4. 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 S4 elements are coming or not? Same output or different output? Same output. So, Saurabh, I think you got it. Is it clear, Saurabh? So, these are called formulas. These are called what? Formulas. A plus B whole square value will come. A square plus 2AB plus 2AB B square value also will come. What is that? Expansion of A plus B whole square formula and A square plus 2AB plus B square, both the answers are same. Okay. If you want for your extra knowledge, I will give you. So here I will write it extra. So extra points about which function? Symmetric difference. Symmetric underscore difference is equal to S1 dot extra points about S1 dot symmetric difference of S2 is equal to S1 dot, come on. So this is an answer. Come on, what is the formula applied? Is equal to S1 dot union of S2 dot difference of S1 dot intersection of S2. S2. Are you okay? Boys in the back, are you there? Huh? Are you there or not there? Gatable can speak. Let me know. Let me listen. Are you there? No. So you are there. So this is one thing. One more I am taking. S1 or difference of, this is symmetric difference. So FFERENC. ENC. What is another one? S1 dot difference of S2 dot union of S1 or S2 S2 dot difference of S1. Is it okay? Explain extra points about symmetric difference by formula. This is by formula. Okay now? Examples. This one I will take it as this here. So whose corresponding examples? So I'm going to take it. So this I said. If you feel difficult about that, nobody will ask about tell me the formulas. If you are want to become good, then you can remember. Are you good? Are you good? So who said good? You sit down. Who are good? You sit down. Who are good? You sit down. Hey, all are good. All are good. Okay. So raise the hand. Who is good now? I will ask one question now. Like that. Don't escape. Okay. Okay, students, Saurabh got it. Okay, good. Now come to which function? Update. Update. Okay. So let me come to the update functions here. Difference underscore update, intersection underscore update, symmetric difference underscore update. Good. So coming to the point back, here I will go to update function. Already in the list concept, I said to you merging of two list objects. Did you remember? Merging of two list objects. Which function we used? Ma? Extend. Very good. Extend function we used. What is the syntax? What is the syntax? Want to go out? Stand up, both of you. Stand up, both of you. Hmm. Already I said you're all, I complimented last class. Both of you are good girls, I said. But you're talking. Take your books. Go out. Go out. Already I complimented you, right? But you are speaking. Take your books. Go out. Doubt is there? Doubt? Talking about outside? Outside things? And why, ma? Iran, US war is going on. How to stop it like that? Shut up. Don't speak. If you want to speak, please don't come. Don't come to the class because I will be getting disturbed. Other girls will get disturbed. Go to other batch. Okay? Tomorrow onwards, if you want to speak, go to other batch. Don't come here. It's my kind advice. Sit down, both of you. Now I'll go to update function. Don't lose your impression about girls. So I complimented last class. Again, you are making nice. That bad impression will be there in my brain. For example, he is there. He came to his original place. Still, I have same impression. Bad impression only I have. I complimented first day. Still, I have the same impression. When that impression will go, I don't know. So, only one impression will be there in my mind. Okay, now. So, keep that impression in my brain. So, come to that update function I am taking. Like extend function in the list, update function in sets. To integrate two sets, I will go for what? Update. Update function, I will take it. Okay. So, I'm going to use the syntax. Update function is exactly similar to union. Update function is exactly similar to what? Union. Union also integrating two sets or not into single set. Union. Two sets are unique elements are getting into single set. But when you come back to this area, when you come back to this update, update function will combine two sets into single set. But where it is keeping not in S3. Union function keep the results in where? S3. S3. It is kept into S3. Syntax you see. The same. This is union. Union kept into where? S3. But here in the update, it is not going to keep the elements in where? S3. It is keeping in where itself. Set obj1 itself. Because the sets are what? Mutable. Mutable and mutable, but mutable is the one of the property. So set obj3 does not contain any value. So set obj3 contains what? Set obj3 contains what? I will lose 50% bad impression. Stand up. I will lose. So I will get good impression about you. Answer my question. Quick. Otherwise, I'll get 150 bad impression. What is an answer? List. List 3 is equal to LST1 dot extend of LST2. Do you remember that? All the elements of LST2 is appended in where? LST1. It is not keeping the elements in where? LST3. What is the LST3 contains? Silence, all of you. Don't see on the chart box. Don't see. Array, don't see. See on the laptop. You see here. Laptop you see. He's saying. What is an answer? Huh? Answer is there. They said answer. None. None. Not reading. Not reading. You are like a apple doll. No showcase piece. You are not a showcase piece, right or not? You need to tell answer, sit up. So still same impression. To lose the impression, you have to answer my questions. You have to answer. I will get okay, good boy, good girl, good boy, good girl. Like that, I will feel. You don't know, students. So many things are there. Update. Answer my question. Where that elements are kept in. So set obj1 dot update of this function is used for taking all unique elements from set obj1. Now I will take all the elements of set obj2, take elements of set obj, take elements from set obj2 and place them in where and add them to where, add or merge them and merge them with set obj1, set obj1 itself, set obj1 itself, and no elements placed in. Come on, no elements placed in, no elements placed in set obj3, and whose value is none. None. So I'm going to give you the examples. Now I'm going to give you the examples. So see students, now I'm taking, go to the place. Here I'm getting, go there. S1, this is my data. This is my data. S2 is equal to, S2 is equal to 15, 25, 35. 15, 25, 35. S3 is equal to S1 dot, come on mom, update of S2. What is happening? All the elements of 15, 25, 35 added to whom? S1. No elements are kept in S3. What is the value of S3? Huh? None. Okay. Print of first check S1. Is it S1 contains all the elements or not? 10, 20, 30, 40, 25, 15, 35 is also placed or not? S3, please. What is the S3? None. Are you able to understand? Very good. So this is one important thing. Union and update look like same, but the difference is what? It is union keep the elements in S3, but update keep the elements of S2 in where? S1 itself. So please remember this. This one of our students got one or two times this example. Okay now? And don't say both of them same. I don't know the difference, you don't say. So please keep in mind difference underscore update. Same as difference. Difference function keep the result in where? S3. But result keep it in where now? Set obj1. S1 only it will keep. Shall I go to the difference function once? Go to the difference function once. Here. Difference function. This is the one. I'm going to take it here. Syntax. So difference underscore update. Difference underscore update. Come on, read out. This function removes the common elements from set obj1 and set obj2, takes the remaining elements from set obj1 and place those elements in set obj1 itself. Set obj1 in itself, and no elements kept in where? And no elements placed in S3 whose value is none. Actually, I don't write S3, but I want to differentiate with which function? Difference function. Clear? Very good. Online students, take care. Now, examples. Let's go. So here, I'll go to this example. S1 is equal to, S2 is equal to, S3 is equal to S1 dot difference underscore update of S2. Tell me the answer immediately. Tell me the answer immediately. Come on. Hmm? S1 answer. S1 answer. Option A. Option A. 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40. Option B. Empty set. Option C. 15, 25, 35. This is S1 value I'm talking about. And option D. None. Option D. None. Come on. Option A. Difference function, what is that? Remove the common elements. Do you have any common elements? No. Take the remaining elements of what? S1. Keep it in where? S1. How much easy now, students? Why you are not saying that answer? Thinking. You are thinking like anything. So S3 containing what? And why are you thinking like that? Why you are thinking like that? So I said already base concept now. So I'm going to write it what? 1020 I am writing. 1020 I am writing. So tell me the answer now. S1 dot difference underscore update of S2. Come on. In where it is placed in S1. Very good. S1. This is going to be what? S1. Is it 30, 40 or not? Yes, obviously S3 contains what? None. So this is done. Got it. So done. Next go to what? Intersection underscore update. Same to same as intersection. Intersection already you know na? Yes, you know intersection. Intersection underscore update. Intersection keeps the result in where? Set obj 3. Now it is going to keep the result in where? S1. S1. Okay. Set obj 1 underscore. What is this? Underscore what? Update. Okay. Same. Keep the place the common elements in set obj1 itself. Set obj1 itself. And no common elements. And no common elements. And no common elements placed in set obj3. And whose value is none. Okay. Example. So coming to these examples, go to this place. Now I'm going to take up S1 data, S1 data, S2 data, I will take it, S2 data, shall take it. S3 is equal to S1 dot intersection underscore update. Update of what? S2. What is the answer? 1. 1020. 1020 is the common elements kept in where? S1. S1. Print of S1. Print of S1, print of S3, none. So why I'm writing that? Because this question comes in interview. They'll ask you what is the value of S3, what is the value of S1. That time you should have clarity among them. So got it done. So last and final, same symmetric difference is exactly similar to same as previous. Only thing is the result kept in set obj1 s1 s1. It is not a song, okay? Is it a song? Every time set s1. This function removes common elements from set obj1 and set obj2 and takes the remaining elements from set obj1 and set obj2. Place those elements in set obj1 itself and no common elements, no elements placed in set obj3 whose result is none. That's all. Done. Completed. Okay, students. This completes our example. All the functions completed. Examples you want? I will go. So many functions I wrote it. So I don't know whether you are capable of remembering this or not, but any good student always will remember. So now I will go to, now I'll go to symmetric underscore difference underscore update. Is it okay? Okay. What is the answer? 10, 20, 10, 20 removed. 30, 40, 15, 25, 35. Kept in where? S1, S1. Charging పెట్టలేదు laptop కి. S1, S1. ఇప్పుడు పెట్టానులే. So type of what? S1. So got the data. Coming or not? Yes. So got this now. I will go to this one. Last one question I will ask you. One more thing. S1, I will take it. I'll take it. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So like that. Rani answer plus or minus. Huh? Rani answer is plus or minus. Now, what is an answer? Hmm? Empty set. S1 and type of what? S1. So what happens? What happens? Empty set is not coming now. Which one I printed? S1 I printed. So this data actually I will take up. Actually, this example, hold on. Empty set will come. Hold on. Why this example is coming like that also I will tell you. Hold on. What is my data, students? What is my data of S1? This one now. On the data, symmetric difference update. What is an update? What is an update? This is the data now, and this is the values. Any common elements in both the places? 30. 30. And then what? 40. What are the remaining elements? 35, 15, 25, 10, 20. Correct or not? Yes. According to that, correct. Our expectation is what? Like this. Our expectation is, this is my intention. S2, this is S2, this is my intention. Now you will get what? Empty set. Okay, na? Yes. So my intention is this one. But according to this answer, correct answer. And you also understood that. Understood? Very good. Okay. Students, now you got it. One more answer also you got it. So obviously, this function explanation over. So total functions are completed. Completed? Huh? Yes. So who will tell in the class all 17 functions? I just want to, 1 minute, I want to look at your efficiency in both girls and boys. Who will tell? I want to know. Don't see the book, okay? No scrolling the book. When sir is asking, immediately turning like that. It is not an exam, right or not? Before the exam hall, people will be standing and going on scrolling the papers. Don't do that. Who will tell? Who will tell? Girls. You're all intelligent, right or not? Intelligent or not? Tell me. Who will tell? You'll tell? Good. Tell me. No problem. No? Because you are giving the book to your friend. I thought that you are standing up and saying. No? Who will tell? Okay, good boy. Ma? Slowly, slowly. Add off, remove off, discard off, good. Pop off, copy off, clear off, is disjoint off, is disjoint off, is disjoint off, is superset off, is subset off, union of, difference of, intersection of, symmetric underscore difference of, symmetric underscore. Yes, very good. Update of, difference underscore update of. Good. No problem. You have said so many. Two more are left out. Two more are left out. Symmetric underscore difference underscore update of last intersection underscore update of. Very good. 1 minute. Stand up. Give the claps. Good boy. Sit down. Good boy. మీరేం చేస్తారా? What you will do? See how he said, very fluently said, good boy. Like that you need to tell. Then only I will get 50% good impression. Now today. Tomorrow, no. Tomorrow means tomorrow everybody will tell. Will you tell tomorrow or not? Everybody will tell. Girls, will you tell tomorrow or not? Now, now you tell. Will you tell today? Tomorrow, no. Okay. Anyhow, good boy. I appreciate. Now I'll go to problem solving. So who is this? Suraj. Suraj is also good boy. From beginning onwards, Suraj is good boy. Suraj is good boy from beginning onwards. So there are some good boys are there in my class. All are good boys. So now I will go to problem solving approach. One problem solving I want to take students. So that is the question came in interview. That question I will take up. So let me go to the same place. Here I am having set data type. I'll open once. Set data type. What happens? Here I will take up in this place. You see, this function was completed. Now this example is done. Problem solving by using what? Sets. So I want to go for taking one problem. Can I show you the problem now? Yes. So that function I will take it. So I will go to problem solving now. Students, so I'll go to this problem. And this problem was given the company called PayPal. Some of our students has written some off campus interviews in the last year and before the year. The common question pattern. Um, problem solving, problem solving, problem solving on sets, on sets. So I'm going to take it. Actual question I will tell you. Consider the following. Consider the following. Consider the following. Following. So there I'm writing list of Python learners. List of Python learners. List of Python learners is equal to, I'm writing here Rosam. Next scientist names I'm writing Travis. And next is called Dennis. So these are the Python learners. List of Java learners. List of Java learners. So I'm going to give you here Gosling, who is the father of Java. Next is called James. Next, James Gosling is actually father of Java. I'm just wrote in 2 lines. And one more person is Dennis. Dennis, be careful, study this data. Actually, that question was what? Actual question is what? List of cricketers, list of tennis players. They are given 11 cricket players. Some of the cricket players are playing also tennis. I am taking in our subject format. Anything is okay, no? Anything is okay. So because I don't want to write 11 members names, cricketer names, I don't want to waste my time to write those entire things. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Following questions. Right? It's the questionnaire. Now, question number 1. Find find all the find all the learn find the names of the people. Find names of the people. Names of the people who are learning. Who are learning. Who are learning all courses. Who are learning all courses. in organization, in an organization. So sometimes people will ask you, management will ask you, please give me all branch students. Give me all branches, ECE, CSC, and Triple E, civil, mechanical, all the student names I want, they will say. What is that operation? One, union. The moment I write the question now, you have to apply function. Function you have to apply. You have to convert into programming. That's the main intention. Okay. Next, find all the player names, all the people's names. Find the names of the peoples. Find the name of the peoples who are learning, who are learning both the core, both Python and Java, both Python and Java. I will apply which function? Like that. The moment when I see the question, you have to apply the subject. Which one? Intersection. Question number three. Question number three. I will go for it. Find the names of the people who are learning only Python. Only Python. But not Java. But not Java. Come on. Difference of. Are you seeing a chart box and saying, or you are applying your own subject? One subject, huh? But after they are saying you are answering, but you are very close to me. Yeah, you are very close to me. They need to type it and they need to press enter key. It will take a lot of time. Why you are not saying quickly? Hmm? Why you are not saying quickly? Question number four. Question number four. Find the names of the people who are learning only Java, but not Python. Who are learning only Java, but not Python. What is that? Difference of. Difference or difference of. అలా చెప్పాలి. Difference కాదు. Difference if you say you are a layman. Difference of you are called student. Set obj 1 dot difference of set obj 2 if you say you are extraordinary student. Correct? What you want to be, you tell me that. Layman student want to be an extraordinary student extraordinary. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the names of the people who are learning exclusively. ఇది చాలా important. This word is important. First of all, exclusively, exclusively Python and Java. Exclusive అంటే ఏంటి? What is the meaning of exclusive? Exclusively Python students, exclusively Java students. No combination. No common person. Exclusive Python students, exclusive Java students. Who are the exclusive Python students? Gosam and Travis. Who are the exclusive Java students? Gosling and James. I will find both of them. Rosam, Travis, James Gosling, James. I will apply symmetric difference. Which function? Symmetric difference. Off. You are off now. Symmetric difference, if you say off, that is the power. Only off if you say you are off. Like that. Now you are on. Already you said, but I did not hear. But you are very close to me, but you did not say. I did not hear. Okay, no problem. Can you feel satisfied when you say? Otherwise, you learn it. Is it clear? Now I want to find this type of solutions we need to prepare. Shall we prepare the solutions? Yes. So now I will go to the question students answers. Now I'm going to write the answers. So I'm going to write the answers. When this question is given, you need to start filling up the questions and then answer. Question and answer, you need to write it. Question and answer. So next question, like that, all the questions will be coming. All the questions will be coming. So I'll complete that. So question number 2 also I will post the questions. Then I'll start giving those. Okay. Now go to this things. I'll take it. So I'm taking here, go to the place PL and Python learners. Next is called what? JL, Java learners. Java learners. I will take it. JL is equal to Java learners. So there I am writing students Dennis. So students, now print of what PL, print of what JL. So this is my output. Come on, tell me. All PL JL. అంటే all Python learners and Java learners is equal to PL dot union of, come on, JL. Print of what? All PL JL. PL JL. PL JL. Is it an output coming or not? Yes. Similarly, this is an output I will write, ma. This is an output I am writing. The same output will be here also. Same output will be here also. Come on, here. Both PLJL is equal to both of them. How do you write it? PL dot intersection of, come on, yes. So PL dot intersection of, yes, see. Okay. So print, what is this? Both PLJL, both PLJL. Who is that? Only Dennis. Okay, got it. So this is an output. Got it or not? Yes. Next I will go to which one? Difference. Difference. So I'm going to take it difference. So I'm going to take up this now. Go to the place. Here I'm writing. So now I'm going to write it. Okay. Apply. What is the next one? So you remember now? Come on. Only PL. Only PL is equal to PL dot difference of JL. JL. So I will go to print of only PL and a type of, okay, I need not write, that is by default. What is an answer? Rosamund Travis. Okay, now next, only JL is equal to JL dot only JL is equal to JL dot difference of PL. So print of only JL, only JL. So right, James Gosling and James and then Gosling. These are two answers are coming. So students, only Python. So Python answer I will keep it. This answer I will get it into the next. Getting a girls, are you getting ma? Right. So coming to this place, this answer is input answer, that is. Okay. Last one I want to go for what? Symmetric difference. So keep the symmetric difference on. Come on. EXCL, EX exclusively EXCL PLJL is equal to PL dot PL dot symmetric underscore difference of JL. Okay. Print of EXCL PL. Very good. So I got James, Rosam, Gosling, and so who is the common member? I don't want exclusively learning Python, exclusively learning JL. So remember a blind rule. Exclusively means symmetric difference. So just remember and don't buttify that. Just for your something like layman identification. So this is about subject of which function? Symmetric difference I applied. So let me give a clarity. So now actual question is, this is the one. Do you know? Actually, they are asking this question. Students, you try to understand. This is the question. But they said this is the question solved by using which concept? By using what functions? Set functions. Do you know, students? Actually, this question is coming. They asked the question in the question paper in the written test. They said this question like this. They said in the bracket, in the bracket, don't use, don't use, they said. don't use this set, then what he will do? Where is my SAR? You will see. My SAR set by using what? Functions. But the question is what? Don't use set functions. Then how do you do? You know the subject, but you don't coming in companies. What you will do? That is called blind education, we can call. Of course, this is a topmost functions you learn. Now I'm going to tell you. So now I'm going to tell. So here, since we are not using sets, sets real-time purpose is implemented by using bitwise operators. In your BTech, all of them learn in colleges, they learn operators, plus, minus, slash, all those things they will tell or not. Bitwise operators, will they explain? No, they don't explain. Double greater than, double less than, single ampersand, single or. Next is called a complement operator, bitwise XOR operator. These are called bitwise operators. No teacher will explain. Nobody will explain. Who are in first year, second year, third year, fourth year. First years are not there in engineering now. They are going to admit now. Second year, third year, fourth years, you take it. They don't explain. Will they explain? Explain now. Explain now. No, they don't explain. Why? They don't know. You have to directly conclude that. If they know, they will tell, right or not? So now you need to know. Very soon, I'm going to tell you in the classes, bitwise operators. Very soon, we are going to come across. Once the data types are there, we are entering into that area only. There is a beautiful concept called bitwise operators. What is the use of bitwise operators in real world? I'm going to tell you. How many bitwise operators are there? What is the register? What is the register? What is the meaning of shifting the bits? What is the meaning of register? 62-bit register, 32-bit register, and 4-bit register, 8-bit register, 32-bit register, flipping of the bits, all those things I will explain. Flipping, formulas, registers, all those things I will explain with the complete examples. That is subject. So bitwise operators are purpose is they are very fastest compared to what? Set functions. Inside of symmetric difference, they used actually one bitwise operator. Symmetric difference uses one bitwise operator. So that bitwise operator directly I will use in my program. Can I go now? Let's start. See students, now I'm using, if I will carry my question mark, I'll complete it quickly. These question and answers are there now. These question and answers, I'll carry this question and answers as it is. I will showing you. I'll carry this. I'll keep it here. See, here, earlier I applied which function there? Union. Today, I am applying bitwise, bitwise, bitwise OR operator I am applying. Bitwise OR operator I am applying. Don't worry. In the class, you don't worry now. I am applying. I'll show the result. I'll explain in the bitwise operators. Very soon I am going to come there. Okay. In place of union, what I am applying? Bitwise OR operator I am applying. So come to of what? JL, which is called which operator? Same answer will come. That means union operation internally uses which one? Yes. Come on. Here I am writing. As you know already, PL, this is called JL. Oh, come on. All PL JL is equal to PL exclude bitwise OR operator of JL. Print of all PL JL comma type of all PL JL. So am I getting the answer as set only now? Union also gives the same answer now. Yes. So bitwise operators, I will start mind blowing. It is a mind blowing. If you go to bigger companies, my bitwise operators will have lot of importance in Python. Any language, lot of importance is there. Okay. Come on, online students, are you there? Next, come on, next. Both. PL, JL is equal to. Tell me. PL, bitwise AND operator I will apply. JL. And are you seeing the symbol here? Bitwise AND entered. Print of print of, what is this? Both the PLJL, comma, type of both the PLJL, both PLJL. Are you getting Dennis or not? Yes. Next, I will apply. What is the next? Only PL is equal to PL minus JL. Arithmetic minus operator I am applying. Minus operator not only for two number subtraction, you can use for set difference also you can find. Okay, print of, tell me, only, only what? Only PL and type of only PL. So what is an answer? Travis and Rosam. It is equal to like a difference. Next, what is the next? Only JL. What is the answer? JL minus PL. Very good. Come on. Only JL. Next, only JL. Are you getting or not? Yes. Next, EXCL is equal EXCL PLJL is equal to PL exclusive OR operator of exclusive OR operator. Do you know? Bitwise exclusive OR XOR this is. So what is this? JL. Most of the people in their colleges, they will say 2 to the power of 3 entered. 2 to the power of 3. This operator is I am using. This is called bitwise exclusive OR operator. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to how much? 8. Very good. Who said? Good. Good. Who said? Wrong answer. It is the wrong answer. It is not his mistake. It is a teacher mistake. Because of his mistake, he is the victim in the company. The answer is 1 now. How this one is coming? That is the subject of exclusive OR operator. Binary form of 2. 0, 0, 1, 0. Binary form of 3. 0, 0, 1, 1. A bitwise exclusive OR operator. Same bits are 0, different bits are 1. This is 1. This is 0, 0, 0. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. I will show you that. So print of EXCL PLJL, comma, type of EXCL PLJL. So answer is C, except Dennis, everything coming or not? 2 to the power of 3. It is called what? 1. But our teachers will say in colleges what? 8. Go to college, but don't listen the classes. You do the coding. This is my slogan. Go to the college. Don't listen the class. If you listen the class, you will tired. Because that is not a programming. That is called blackboard white chalk piece. You do the coding, this Python coding, whatever the coding you want to become expert, you do that. Why to go to college, sir, then? To enjoy the college days. Because college days is important for every individual. And attendance is important in the college. Otherwise, they will give fine for you. 10,000 fine they will give. Going to college is really God-given gift. Everybody cannot go. Go daily, enjoy the life, but do the coding. That is my slogan for you. Okay, understand? Is it clear? So is it all called what? Bitwise OR operator applied. Go to what now? Which operator, ma? Bitwise OR. Next I will apply bitwise and bitwise and. This is called bitwise and.